Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Slack for AI summaries using automation bots. Complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Slack for AI summaries using automation bots, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Slack login page by entering the URL slack.com. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your work email address associated with your Slack account. Click the Continue button. If prompted, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Slack. Open the email and click on the Sign In to Slack button. You will be redirected back to the Slack workspace login page. Type in your password and click Sign In. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your authentication method. Once logged in, locate the workspace where you intend to use AI summaries. In the left sidebar, navigate to the channel where you want to set up the automation bot. To add a bot, click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. Use the search bar to find the specific AI summary bot you wish to install. Select the bot from the search results and click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the bot within your workspace. Once the bot is installed, return to your channel. Mention the bot with a prompt, specifying the information you want summarized. Wait for the bot to process your request and provide the AI-generated summary. Repeat this process whenever you need additional summaries. Now you are set to efficiently use Slack for AI summaries with the help of automation bots. Enjoy streamlined communication and enhanced productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.